The world champion Lumberjills, the Chics with Axes. Founded by Timbertina Shear in 1995, we have over 20 years' experience in the entertainment industry. We travel all over the world, performing at fairs, festivals, exhibitions, private functions, corporate events, and more.
We're a group of all-female logging sports athletes. We compete in underhand chopping, axe throwing, crosscut sawing, log rolling, chainsaw carving, and the hot saws.